Fruit. Fruit represents modified, mature, ripened ovary formed after fertilization. Ovary wall forms fruit wall, also called pericarp. Fruit wall, that is pericarp, divided into three layers. Epicarp, outer cover of fruit, generally thin, can be thick also, mostly non-edible. Mesocarp, middle layer of fruit, generally pulpy, fleshy, edible part. Endocarp, inner membranous or stony layer. Types of fruit based on formation. True fruit, eucarpic fruit, eucarp. Fruit formed from ovary. Most of the fruits are true fruits. For example, mango, cucumber, papaya, guava, etc. False fruit, pseudocarp. Including ovary, other floral parts are also involved in fruit formation, like calyx, perianth, thalamus, peduncle, etc. For example, apple, pear, cashew nut, mulberry. Parthenocarpic fruit. Fruit develops from ovary without fertilization. Thus, seeds are absent. Seedless fruit. For example, banana, grapes. Simple fruit develops from single flower. Flower can have one carpel, monocarpellary, or many carpels, multicarpellary. In multicarpellary flower, all carpels are united, fused, that is syncarpus. In simple fruit, single fruit formation occurs from a flower. Aggregate fruit. Fruit develops from single flower. Flower can be bicarpellary to multicarpellary. All the carpels of a flower are not fused, united. That is apocarpous condition. Here, bunch of small fruits are formed called fruitlets from single flower. Aggregate fruit, also called heterofruit, multiple or composite fruit. It develops from entire inflorescence. Two types. Sorosis develops from spike, spadix or catkin inflorescence. The flowers fuse together by their sepals or perianth, and the whole inflorescence forms a compact mass. For example, jackfruit, mulberry, pineapple. Cyconus, the fruit develops from hypenthodium inflorescence. For example, fig, gular, banyan, people. Simple, dry, indehiscent fruit. Pericarp is dry, generally not differentiated into its layers. Fruit does not split or burst naturally in sunlight. Seeds are liberated only after decomposition or destruction of pericarp. Caryopsis, that is grain, develops from monocarpellary, unilocular, uniovulate superior ovary. Pericarp is completely fused with seed coat. For example, wheat, maize, rice, that is Poaceae or Gramineae family. Achene develops from monocarpellary, unilocular, uniovulate superior ovary. Pericarp is not completely attached with seed coat. For example, Mirabilis lotus. Cypsela develops from bicarpellary, syncarpus, unilocular, inferior ovary. Hairy calyx called pappus present help in dispersal of fruits or seeds. For example, sunflower, Soncus, Zinnia, Taraxacum, marigold, that is Compositae or Asteraceae family. Nut develops from polycarpellary superior ovary. Pericarp is hard, stony, and even woody. For example, anacardium, that is cashew nut, lychee, that is marking nut, trapa, that is water chestnut, quercus, that is oak. Simple dry dehiscent fruits. Pericarp is dry and undifferentiated. Pericarp bursts naturally or automatically in sunlight and liberate their seeds. Legume, that is pod. Dry unilocular, that is single chambered fruit, develops from monocarpellary superior ovary. Fruit dehisces by both suture or margins on maturity. Placentation is marginal. One or two seeded legume called pod. For example, gram, lentil, pea, bean. Silicua develops from bicarpellary unilocular ovary with parietal placentation. Fruit has false septum called repulum. Dehiscence of fruit occurs by both the halves from base to apex. For example, mustard, radish, that is crucifery or brassicaceae family. Silicula, short, broad, flat silicua with few seeds. For example, Iberis capsula. Capsule develops from multicarpellary syncarpous ovary. Dehiscence occurs by many ways. Porocidal, by pores, for example, opium, argemone. Loculicidal, locules or wards, for example, cotton, lady's finger. Septicidal, septa, for example, linseed. Septifragal, fragments, for example, dhatura. Schizocarpic fruit, that is splitting fruits. Fruits break or split into mericarps. Lumentum, bisutural, multi-seeded, divided into one-seeded many mericarps. For example, tamarind, cassia fistula, mimosa, groundnut, desmodium, acacia. Cremocarp, double-seeded fruit, bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary, persistent stylopod or stylopodium, two mericarps, each contains one seed. Mericarp attached with carpophore. For example, fennel, coriander, that is family Apiaceae or umbelliferae, carrot, jeera, that is cumin, saunf, that is foeniculum. Regma, tricarpellary to pentacarpellary, syncarpous superior ovary, splits into 3 to 5 one-seeded parts called cocci. Spines are found on pericarp. For example, family Euphorbiaceae, castor, that is ricinus, carcerulus, bicarpellary to multicarpellary superior ovary, splits into 4 one-seeded mericarps or locules. Spines are absent. For example, tulsi, salvia, althea, abutilon. Samara, bicarpellary or tricarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. Winged or feathery fruits develops from pericarp, help in dispersal. For example, Holoptelia, that is chilbil, Dioscorea, ulnus, that is ilm. Aggregate fruits, polycarpellary, apocarpus. All fruitlets form aggregate fruit, also called eterio. Eterio of achenes, for example, strawberry, rose, lotus, ranunculus. Eterio of berries, for example, Trabotris, Polyalthea, custard apple, that is sitafal, Annona squamosa. Eterio of follicles, for example, Calotropis, Delphinium, Michelia, Magnolia, Catharanthus. Eterio of drupes, for example, raspberry, blackberry. Fleshy or succulent fruits. Fruits are indehiscent. Pericarp is divided into epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. Drupe develops from monocarpellary superior ovary, mostly one-seeded. Pericarp has hard and stony endocarp. Mesocarp is fleshy, juicy, and edible in mango, and fibrous mesocarp found in coconut used in formation or making of coir. For example, mango, that is Mangifera indica, coconut, that is Cocos nucifera, peach, plum, cherry, bear, that is Ziziphus, almond, walnut, that is Jugulans regia. Berry develops from monocarpellary or polycarpellary syncarpous ovary. Ovary can be superior or inferior, axile placentation. Fruit 1 to many seeded. Epicarp forms thin outer membranous skin. Mesocarp is thick and fleshy. Endocarp is membranous. For example, tomato, guava, grapes, papaya, banana, brinjal, chili, betel nut, one seeded berry. Pepo, hard-walled berry, develops from tricarpellary, syncarpous, unilocular, and inferior ovary. Parietal placentation. Epicarp forms skin of fruit. Mesocarp and endocarp are fleshy and edible. Bitter taste of fruits is due to tetracyclic triterpenes. For example, cucumber, gourds, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Pome develops from bi to multicarpellary inferior ovary. Ovary is surrounded by fleshy thalamus. True fruit lies inside the swollen, fleshy, and edible thalamus. It is false fruit or pseudocarp. For example, apple, pear, edible part is thalamus. Hesperidium develops from multicarpellary, multilocular, syncarpous superior ovary with axile placentation. Epicarp and mesocarp fused, forming rind or skin, have oil glands. Endocarp projects inward, forming a number of distinct chambers. Juicy unicellular glandular hairs are edible. For example, all citrus fruits, orange, lemon. Balusta develops from multilocular, multiseeded syncarpous superior ovary. Epicarp is hard, tough, and leathery. Endocarp is membranous. Seeds irregularly distributed inside fruit. Juicy testa of seeds is edible. Persistent calyx present. For example, pomegranate, that is Pumia granatum. Amphisarca develops from multicarpellary, syncarpous, multilocular, and superior ovary. Epicarp is hard and woody. Mesocarp, endocarp, and swollen placenta are fleshy and edible. For example, wood apple or bale, that is Agel marmelas. Elephant apple or kite, that is Feronia limonia. Common English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Pea, Pisum sativum. Legume, seed. Lady's finger, that is okra. Abelmoschus esculentus. Capsule, entire fruit. Corn, that is maize. Gia maize. Caryopsis, entire fruit. Wheat, Triticum aestivum. Caryopsis, entire fruit. Cashew nut, Anacardium occidentale. Nut, cotyledons and fleshy thalamus. Common English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Water chestnut, Trapa bispinosa. Nut, seed. Groundnut, Arachis hypogea. Lumentum, seed. Lychee, Lychee chinensis. Nut, eril. Mango, Mangifera indica. Drupe, fleshy mesocarp. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum. Cremocarp, entire fruit. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Almond, Prunus amygdalus. Drupe, seed. Coconut, Cocos nucifera. Drupe, endosperm. Apple, Pyrus malus. Pome, fleshy thalamus. Walnut, Jugulans regia. Drupe, cotyledons. Pear, Pyrus communis. Pome, fleshy thalamus. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Tomato, Lycopersicon esculentum. Berry, pericarp and placenta. Date palm, Phoenix ductilifera. Berry, pericarp. Grape, Vitis vinifera. Berry, pericarp and placenta. Guava, Pseudium guajava. Berry, pericarp, placenta and thalamus. Banana, Musa paradisica variety sapientum. Berry, mesocarp and endocarp. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Bottle gourd, Lagenaria cereraria. Pepo, mesocarp, endocarp, young seed. Betel nut, Areca catechu. Berry, seed. Cucumber, Cucumis sativus. Pepo, mesocarp, endocarp, young seeds. Orange, Citrus reticulata. Hesperidium, placental glandular hair with endocarp. Pomegranate, Punica granatum. Balusta, fleshy succulent testa. Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Custard apple, Annona squamosa. Iterio of berries. Inner layer of pericarp, thalamus. Strawberry, Fragaria vesica. Iterio of achenes. Fleshy thalamus, seeds. Mulberry, Morus alba and Morus nigra. Sorosis, succulent perianth and fleshy axis. Pineapple, Ananas comosus. Sorosis, fleshy axis, bract, fused perianth and pericarp.